So far, two kinds of motion have been presented: motion in 1 and 2 dimensions. These were described in section 2 and 3. The two sections dealt with the kinematics of motion. The kinematics of an object results from the forces acting on it. Once a force acts on an object, it creates an acceleration of the object. This acceleration changes the object's velocity in value, or in direction, or both. If the changes are limited to just the magnitude of the velocity, the object then changes its position in a nonlinear form, as seen in section 2. However, if the changes are limited to just a uniform change in the direction of the velocity, the object then changes its position, tracing a circular path in what is called uniform circular motion, as seen in section 3. In this section, the dynamics of objects in a variety of situations will be discussed by dealing with the laws that govern the forces acting on these objects. The treatment comes through three laws stated by Newton that are known as Newton's laws of motion, and will be of objects in both linear and circular motions. So if you are ready, let's tackle the first lecture of this section and discover Newton's laws.